Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your four-wheel drive. So first, you want to make sure your vehicle's on and you're parked. You don't want to do this while you're driving. You want to actually be stopped. But here, there's this little slide. So right now it's in two-wheel. You can have it in an auto if you'd like. And then the four-wheel, now that four-wheel drive is activated with the high, four-wheel drive low. Typically this four-wheel low you'd have on if, say, you're set up for towing a trailer, or you know for sure you're gonna stay at slower speeds, so pretty much not highway. The four-wheel high, typically when there's no trailer and you're planning to do higher speeds as well, like an interstate travel, for example. But that's it. And then the two-wheel, this would be a rear-wheel drive, so all your power would be going through the rear wheels. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.